Hey everybody, it's Luke over at Galaxy Tech Review, and today I've got a product from OffKnocks. This is the TWS i12 AirPod clones is the best that I can say, because these are exactly what they are, is AirPod clones. You can pick them up on their website for $39.99 compared to $150 that you'd pay for the AirPods. Do they stack up? Well, let's dig into them real quick, and I will give you my honest opinion on these. Okay, so this is what we've got. We've got the i12 TWS AirPod clones. Again, you can pick them up at OffKnocks. I'll have that link in the description below where you guys can check it out. Not a lot going on outside of the box. They just show you an image of the actual product, so we won't spend too much time on that. They do really look exactly like the AirPods. Now, taking out the charging case, it does have a 300 milliamp battery inside the case that will allow you to charge this for up to 4 to 5 times. So you can charge these buds 4 to 5 times in the charging case. Little LED there in the center will let you know what's going on. Now, you have these, they look pretty much exactly like the AirPods. We're going to dig into call quality and voice quality and everything else in just a second. On the back, there's a little button here to activate the charging case so that you can charge these up. Again, you can get 4 to 5 charges from the charging case with that 300 milliamp battery that's built in. Okay, also in the box, they do include a very short USB to Lightning cable, and of course that will be to charge up the charging case itself. It takes about an hour to an hour and a half to fully charge up the case, which isn't too bad, considering that the buds themselves are going to get up to 4 hours of battery, plus the case will allow you to recharge it up to 4 times as well. So that gives you a pretty good amount of battery life on these. Now, they do give you a kind of a one-page little insert here to show you what the actual buttons on the side of these do. And they do both have touch-sensitive buttons on the side, so that's pretty cool. Pressing that 3 times on the right side will go to your next song. 3 times on the left-hand side will go to your previous song. Tapping will either answer a phone call or hang up, or pause or play. And then if you hold it down for 3 seconds, you'll also get a voice assistant, which actually works as well too. So we've got that in there as well. So the touch controls are very responsive and worked. I didn't have any problems with them whatsoever. Talk microphone quality. I'm going to play a clip that I recorded directly from the i12 TWS, and you guys can be the judge on that. This is a test of the TWS i12 microphone. This will give you an idea of what it will sound like in phone calls while you're using the device. I hope this gives you a good idea of the quality of the microphone on the i12s. So there you go, that's the quick mic test, and surprisingly, in a quiet environment, they sound very, very good. So here they are with the buds in. They, again, look exactly like the AirPods, so if you're familiar with those, you're going to be perfectly comfortable with these. So if you hold down the button on either side for 3 seconds, you're going to get your voice assistant. And of course, with my Note 10, I get Google Assistant there, no problem. So I don't have any problems with the Google Assistant or the voice assistant activating and responding, no problems to my commands either. Okay, so the last thing we really want to talk about is how to pair these up. It's really simple, just opening up the box itself and taking out the buds will put it in automatic pairing mode. And then on whatever device you're going to use them on, be it iPhone or Android, I'm going to use this on my Note 10, you're going to see they come up as AirPods in Bluetooth. So they're really going after the AirPods with this, and they pair up pretty quickly. And once they're paired up, they even give me my battery. So I've got 90% battery remaining in this charge for now. So far, very, very simple and easy to pair up and use. Last thing that I want to really discuss about these is obviously music quality. I have other wireless earbuds, the Galaxy Buds for my Note 10 and a few other different brands, and these sound pretty decent. They're not going to be booming on bass like most wireless earbuds, but they're going to do the job. They get plenty loud, and there's really nothing bad that I can say about them. The touch controls work really well for pausing and playing music, forward track, reverse track. TWS i12s get pretty much everything right here, especially for the price point. Okay, so what are my final thoughts on the i12 TWS Bluetooth earbuds? These pretty much tick every box that I could think of that I would need in wireless headphones. I don't think that I would spend my money $140, $150 on AirPods when I can get clones like this for $39. They tick all the right boxes. They have Bluetooth version 5. They have decent battery life, good mic quality, good sound quality, and the touch functions that are built in work and are very responsive. Plus, you get a 300 milliamp charging case that will charge these up to 4 times on top of what you already get out of the earbuds, which is up to about 4 hours of battery life. So there's really nothing bad that I can say at a $39 price point about these earbuds. This was Luke from Galaxy Tech Review. Color me very impressed with the TWS i12s. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so, because that always helps me out. And I'll check you guys out on the next video.